night off. Governor Gavin Newsom signed this into law in 2022, but it's now just taking effect. And as CBS 8's Steve Price explains, while some San Diegans are applauding the new law, others fear it will have a devastating financial impact.
For those who qualify, California already provides Medi-Cal insurance for those who are 25 and younger and those who are 50 and above. This new law that goes into effect today fills that gap from 26 to 49. Local Republican leaders say we can't afford it, but supporters say this benefits everyone.
More than 700,000 undocumented immigrants are now eligible for Medi-Cal, and those fighting years to get this passed say this is a great day.
We're talking about individuals who clean our houses. We're talking about community members who have the lowest paying jobs.
The state's own analysis says this will cost California $2.6 billion when fully implemented.
The state already is going to be about $65 billion in debt.
County Supervisor Jim Desmond is one of several local Republican leaders who say this is not the time to be stretching our state's budget, especially when so many San Diegans are struggling to pay their bills.
A lot of us pay a lot of money for insurance, and it just seems to be kind of a slight to those that are working hard and providing and having to pay for their own insurance when somebody else gets it for free from just walking into the country.
But supporters of the new law say this will actually help San Diegans in multiple ways. For one, if people get preventative care, they're less likely to get really sick and end up later in our overcrowded emergency rooms.
If people are getting the right care at the right place and the right time, then that leads to a more efficient system for all of us. It's a less of a burden on the hospitals and clinics.
And they say if people around us are healthier, they're less likely to get us sick.
During COVID, we were all, we wanted everybody to get a vaccination. And we wanted that because it was integral to our collective health, right? And so our collective health is strengthened by this important milestone of Medi-Cal for all.
Desmond and El Cajon Mayor Bill Wells point out that 65,000 migrants have entered our region in the past 3 months, many of whom now qualify for health insurance, and they fear this new law will encourage even more people to enter California. Steve Price, CBS 8.